Hey guys, so today we're at Back to Nature, and we're just looking at some lemurs right now. You guys see that? That's not a pig.
It's a gopher tortoise.
No, it's a Russian tortoise.
Right here, I'll look at it, Lauren.
No, it's a Russian.
A Russian tortoise. Look. If you drop your phone on
What? Look, they're scratching each other. That's so cute. I love emus so much. Oh, hi. I just wanted to say hi to YouTube. Or is it? Oh. Say hi to YouTube. Okay. Look at the goats. Look how cute that hawk is. Guys, see its little head over there? It is so cool. I love it. Look at that. Did you guys see that? It's over here.
Like a cat.
It wants to do something. It's like
Hi, Turkey Vulture. Boo. Yep, that's it. Oh. Look how cute it is today. Okay, go. Look at those. Where is it? Oh, you guys can. Oh, there it is. Hey.